our
Grabe.
mayor work inside.
The city government building. Wow, very nice.
This
We
looks like a bird
we don't
flying.
we don't have this type in the Philippines.
You know,
China is very impressive.
China has huge population, so you can see the building,
Yeah.
especially in Beijing, right?
Yeah.
All the hotel is very huge, but in
Yeah.
Shenzhen compared to Beijing, maybe smaller the hotel.
Yeah.
Beijing the hotel is very huge.
I think Shenzhen is right now bigger than Hong Kong, right?
Oh, of course, bigger than
Bigger than Hong Kong.
You know,
It has
the
overtaken
Hong Kong,
Hong Kong.
a different function because Hong Kong is famous for financial.
In terms of more newer, bigger buildings, Shenzhen is has many.
Actually, Shenzhen is very big,
Yeah.
bigger than Hong Kong. Hong Kong's population is only 7 million.
Oh,
Last year 18 million.
more than double. Wow.
Xinjiang, the lady.
Yeah. So what are these cultural different cultural dance, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
They have some organization and when the young people they can come and come here.
Oh.
What dance is that called? The square.
Ano? Okay.